Seryoso. Pero wala pang mga bagong deal, no?
Good morning. I'm feeling bad. Not feeling good. Not so good. Okay na. Siguro sa lamig lang. So I decided to take a walk. It's 8 a.m. May araw na. Kaya kasi malamig masyado. Mas kailangan natin magpa-araw ng konti. Hindi na tumakbo pero walking lang. Mga 5 minutes pa lang. So mga 15 minutes lang tayo. Let's cannot get sick. It's work to do. Never even tomorrow. So let's do this. Ciao, ciao. Happy weekend.
Sabi na sa akin, hindi masakit yan.
Wickedness or sinfulness, you can become saints. To name a few saints, we have Teresa of Avila, Teresa of Lisieux, or the Little Flower of Jesus, Mother Teresa of Calcutta, and so forth and so on. But when asked to name a saint who inspires us to be good Christians, my answer was, I cannot think of a saint I am very familiar with, but I know a person whose life testimony continually touches thousands of lives. Little did I know then that my reply would be the spark to ignite this endeavor, may isa pang Teresa. A musical play based on the life of our beloved Sortechi, Dolina Rodriguez. And because we have planned to stage this musical on August 16, 2026, in time for the birthdays of Sortechi and Tatay Bob, we invited two professional theater actors to play the roles of Teresa and Bobby, Ms. Sheila Parduccio and Mr. Alan Quintana. Sheila Angela is a theater and television actor and singer, a colorato soprano from the University of the Philippines. Tenor and actor Albert Maitan gained vocal diction, language, and performance training at the University of the Philippines, University of Santo Tomas, as well as in Italy and New York University, New York, USA. He finished his Bachelor of Music under Dr. Roland Ferrer at St. Paul University. He is active in TV, theater, and film, and part of the upcoming series Hotel 88. For now, they will not be singing the original songs from the play because we are saving the best for last. Brothers and sisters, let's all welcome Sheila and Al.
Love
mentioned, we would like to really give them again our appreciation for being here. Happy
It's a pleasure to make this. That's
We're back here sa Landers and we're trying Landers Central. Yun, may pizza, chicken, plain here, Dorothy Lane. So that's it. So we're trying different picture nila on the Landers Central. Pay for effort ng presentation. Tingnan natin ang taste. Malamig. Ang sarap naman. May mayo pa yun. At may mayo pa sila. Hindi pa tipid. May vlogger siya. Multipong vlogger. Paano may rate yung food ng ano? 8 9, 6. Wow. Taas ng standards.
Gising ko lang to sa Oo. Feeling siya, oh. Tsaka masag naman eh. Doon ka.
Opo na dyan, sit lang.
Akit doon, akit doon. Akit doon, akit doon.
Doon lang.
Akit doon, akit. Akit. Bebe, malaglag ka ha. Uy, uno! Huwag mo itulak. Huwag mo itulak, hindi pa yan.
Hinaw siya eh. Mild down mo. Upo ikaw dyan, Copper.
Sit dyan, Kapper. Kapper, sit dyan.
Hindi mo pa ako. Ayun o, inaabol ko.
Nakabal ka sa ano. Kapper, doon, doon, Kapper.
Doon ikaw, doon.
Kapper, akit doon. Kapper, akit doon, akit doon, akit doon, akit doon. Akit doon, akit doon. Akit, akit. Sit. O, sit dyan, sit. Bebe, malaglag ka ha. Malaglag ka. Mabawasan yung 9 na buhay. Mabawasan yung 9 na buhay.
Hindi naman. Flexible naman.
And Musundan niya, di ba?